those of you who have not been here before, you know that we've been having audio problems. Not anymore. Yay! Let me introduce myself. My name is Wayne Bramlett, and I'm the president of HomeBrew Robotics Club, which is where we're at here. And let's see, how many people is this their first time here? Excellent, excellent. Let me give you the most important information, which is, you see that green exit sign that I'm pointing to right there? Through that door is where the bathrooms are. Very, very, very important. Okay, what we do is we run this meeting by starting with show and tell. We always do show and tell first so that people who bring their children here and have to get their kids to school tomorrow can do so without missing show and tell. Around 8-ish, we're going to have our talk. You're going to have to focus on the screens there. We're sorry about the beam in the middle, but you're going to have to sort of adjust to one side or the other on the beam. Okay, after the talk, we sort of wrap up, and then we do what we call random access. We just sort of wander around and talk with one another. At 10 o'clock, we get kicked out here, and some of us will continue talking in the parking lot until we freeze or get tired or whatever. So that's kind of the basic agenda here. Okay. There isn't much club-related news that I can think of. Can anybody think of anything? Osmond, you said you wanted to say something. Okay. Not yet.
So you guys don't have a date for November yet?
We're still getting used to the new equipment here.
Okay. We have a November date set. What is it? What? There's no talk scheduled.
What's the date on November? Oh, is it? Okay.
It's on the website. Yeah, just so you know, we never have a club meeting the day before Thanksgiving. So we either move it a week forward, or if it lands on a Wednesday after Thanksgiving, we do it then. I don't know which one.
Thanksgiving was early this year,
so it'll be the later one. So it'll be after Thanksgiving.
Okay.
Okay. Okay. Ready?
Yeah, so my name is Osmond, for those of you who don't know me. One of the projects that the club worked on this year was to start up a web store with products with the club logo on it, because we developed a new club logo this year. So I just wanted to remind everybody that the store does exist. It's at cafepress.com, and the name of the store is HB Robotics.
Yes,
and
the broadcast is
if you can't remember that, talk to me after the meeting and I'll give you the link. Maybe that's something we can put on the website. So with there's t-shirts, caps, mugs. I'm wearing an example of one of the t-shirts. It's actually pretty good quality stuff. So support the club, buy some products, and bring them. I know some of you have bought products because I've seen the reports. If you could wear them to the meeting, I would love to see some of these things. I've never seen some of the caps or the long sleeve shirts. So please wear it to the next club meeting. Thanks.
Excellent. Okay, I saw some children walk in. I got you. We like to let the children sit up front so they can have best viewing of the robots. I mean, pull that just as we can. Okay. So yeah, just pull up chairs. Do not mess with the cable there. Thank you. Okay. Any other robot news? Okay. I want to do CO. Here we go. Western Region Robotics Forum. You want to talk?
Okay. Hi, I'm Seal. For those who don't know me, I'm the treasurer for the board of directors for Western Region Robotics Forum. We're a not-for-profit that does competitions for high school students. First type high school robotics competitions. Anyway, our annual robotics competition is coming up October 12th to 13th. Trying to save paper, I only made 4, but I did send it to HomeBrew this afternoon with an attachment. And if you go to WRRF, Western Region Robotics Forum.org, it has all the information and the flyer and everything else. Anyway, it's free. It's October 12th and 13th. It'll be held at Woodside High School. And you can walk around. It's a great place to take young people. They can walk around in the pits, talk to the high school students that have made the robots. We're also looking for some more volunteers. I still need a couple of judges. I had some that had to not judge. They weren't able to after all. So I'm still looking for a couple more judges. You can run and talk to the kids, students, and see the robots and judge them. And there's a lot of active competition. These are big. 5 feet, 2 by 2.5, 140 pounds. They compete 3-on-3, partially autonomous, partially teleoperated. If you got any questions, catch me afterwards.
A number of members of the club were able to be judges and stuff last year. And I'll be honest, so they got some really cool swag, some t-shirts and stuff. So every judge gets a t-shirt. So how can you complain about it? And it's a lot of fun. So come on over and sign on up. Okay. Any other robot club stuff? If not, we're going to get started with show and tell. Okay. Oh, Patrick.
Went back for the raffle. For the raffle. I think half the club has already bought one, so I thank you for your support. I'm not sure it's actually worth it, but definitely. The other thing I just wanted to mention, so I can discuss with anybody afterward, I have this really unique situation at work where we have a person who's disabled in such a way that she has to be reclined almost 95% of the day, which means she has a special wheelchair for getting around this recline, but she can only spend a certain amount of time in that to go to meetings and stuff. And then she has to basically lie on a sofa in her office while everybody else gets to meander around the premises. And the way our complex is set up is they have individual offices, and you go outside onto asphalt pathways to get from one place to another in the complex. So she saw a Pi robot and said, I gotta have that, but it needs to be a telepresence robot, with like all the new ones that are out for sale. But she doesn't want to spend $16,000. So what I'd like to discuss with people afterward, a couple of challenges are it has to work outdoors on asphalt, so it can't have the teeny wheels, and it has to do wireless hopping from one router to another because we're going over some pretty big distances, and we're certainly going to go out of range. And that's why I posted the message earlier today on the club list about what to use for a visual screen that other people get to see her by. Should it be a tablet? Should it be just a little VGA screen? Anyway, love to talk to people afterward and later on. It's going to be a long project. Thanks.
For those of you who don't know, ROS stands for Robot Operating System, and it was developed by Little Garage. And hopefully we can find some raffle tickets to raffle this off later tonight. We have a couple of last announcements. I want to let Dr. Katz here.
Okay, so sorry I'm late, I had to teach tonight, but I wanted to announce the next IEEE Robotics and Automation Society meeting. This is going to be October 4th at 7 p.m. at CMU Carson. And we will be hosting Dr. Terry Fong from the Intelligent Robotics Group at NASA Ames. He'll be talking about human robotics space missions. And I'll be putting all this information on the mailing list, so you're all welcome to come. October 4th at 7 p.m.
Okay, thank you very much. And we're wrapping up here. I want to let people know that our next meeting will be the week before Halloween, since Halloween's on a Wednesday, October 24th, and it will be the third phase of the HBRC Tabletop Challenge and Robot Challenge. I have to remember that, okay? So bring your robots and let's see some fun stuff. Okay, thank you all for coming, and
Wait,
hope you have something else.
you have a giveaway?
I decided we're going to do all the giveaway next meeting.
Oh, okay.
Okay? Executive decision.
Sure.
Okay. And let's see. So thank you all for coming, and hopefully we'll see you next month. Okay? Thank you very much.